take a numerical problem in which right now the question is that there is a man who wishes to cross a river exactly opposite. Means a person wants to cross the river in such a way that, let's suppose, if he is at a point O and he wants to cross this river and wants to reach exactly opposite to the other side, right? Means he wants to reach here at point P. Correct? He is at O and he wants to reach at point P, which is just opposite to point O and on the other side of the river. So a man swims a still river with a velocity of 5 km per hour, and the first part of the question is in which direction he should swim so that he can reach exact opposite side of the river. Means the person is at point O and he wants to reach at point P. Okay? And the second part is how much time will it take to cross the river if the width of the river is 500 meter. The width of the river has been given as 500 meter. Correct? So let's suppose O is the starting point and the person wishes to reach here at point P. 4 km per hour is the velocity of the river given by the problem. Correct? It's given in the problem that the velocity of the river is 4 km per hour. And we need to find out the direction, that in which direction he should swim so that he can reach exact opposite side of the river. Means, as it is clear from the figure, that POA is a right angle triangle, so we need to find out this theta. If we are able to find out this theta, we will be sure that in which direction he should move so that he can reach exactly opposite from this side. Correct? Now, you see here that finally this must be the resultant of this vector and this vector. Yes or no? Because let's suppose अगर हम बाहर से अगर देखें तो ये आदमी यहाँ से डायरेक्टली इसके अपोजिट पहुंचना चाहिए, तभी ये चीज बात मानी जाएगी कि एग्जैक्ट अपोजिट साइड ऑफ द रिवर होगा. मीन्स इसे अपना मुंह कुछ इस टाइप से रखना पड़ेगा, ये इसकी डायरेक्शन होगी, तभी रिजल्टेंट यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. नाउ लुक एट द मूवमेंट ऑफ माय फिंगर. दिस इज द velocity of the person and this will be the direction. Correct? And this is the velocity of the river. So this vector and this vector, if the resultant comes like this, only then the person can reach exact opposite side of the river. Is the point clear? So इस वेक्टर का और इस वेक्टर का रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर ये होना चाहिए. So let's apply the concept of relative velocity. Velocity of the man with respect to river is given by velocity of the man with respect to the ground minus velocity of river with respect to ground. Correct? Ground या still river को हम reference मान सकते हैं because both the two things are not moving. Right? As we have discussed in the concept of relative motion, that we need to find or we need to choose that body which is not moving with respect to the others. Is the point clear? So, अगर हम velocity of man with respect to ground अगर निकालना चाहें तो इस साइड को हमें equality के लेफ्ट साइड में लाना पड़ेगा. So, velocity of man with respect to ground is equal to velocity of man with respect to river plus velocity of river with respect to ground. Now look at here. Velocity of man with respect to ground. ये होगा velocity of man with respect to river. River के respect में man इस तरीके से flow कर रहा है और ground के respect में हमको ऐसा दिख रहा है. Means river इस तरीके से flow हो रही है रिवर इस तरीके से फ्लो हो रही है और मैन इस तरीके से इस डायरेक्शन में इस वेलोसिटी के साथ आगे बढ़ रहा है, तो रिजल्टेंट जो है वो ये आ जा रहा है. सो दिस इज बेसिकली ए पैरेललोग्राम कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ फाइंडिंग द रिजल्टेंट ऑफ द वेक्टर, राइट. और अगर हमें थीटा निकालना है तो थीटा कैसे निकलेगा? अब देखिए यहाँ से साइन थीटा अगर हम निकालें तो दिस वेक्टर अपॉन दिस वेक्टर हो जाएगा, राइट. ये वेक्टर हम कितना लेके चल रहे थे? इसमें दिया हुआ है कि 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर, 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर, राइट. और ये क्योंकि पैरेललोग्राम थ्योरम में BP इज पैरेलल एंड इक्वल टू OA, सो ये 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर, 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर, राइट. So apply the concept of sin theta. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. So we got theta is equal to sin inverse 4 by 5. Right? ये हमारा डायरेक्शन हो गया. Now the second part says that how much time will it take to reach to cross the how much time will it take to cross the river if the width of the river is given as 500 meter. Means we need to find out the time taken by the man in reaching from point O to point P in covering the displacement OP, right. The displacement हो गया. So how can we solve? Time taken is equal to displacement upon velocity. Now what is the displacement? Displacement is OP upon velocity. Velocity is this component. So this is 5 cos theta. This is 5 cos theta upon 5 cos theta, right. Now what is OP? OP has been given as 500 meter, but meter has to be converted into kilometer, divided by 5 cos theta. Sin theta we know 4 by 5, so the value of cos theta will be square root of 1 minus 16 by 25. So basically what shall we get? We shall get cos theta is equal to, so by this way, in this way we can find out the time, right. Yes or no? Correct, right. So we can get the value of cos theta as square root of 1 minus 16 by 25, which is equal to 3 by 5, right. Now you place the value here, 5 into 3 by 5, 5 will be cancelled, so you will be getting 0.5 by 3, correct. So this will be the time taken. Means finally you got multiply it with 60, you will get, so this was in hours, you have converted, can convert it into minutes, right. 10. So within 10 minutes, that man can cross the river and reach exactly opposite side of the river from where he has started, right. Hope the concept of relative velocity must have been cleared, right. Now in our next lectures we will discuss about a special theory of relativity also. This was a very important concept because it has changed our perception and people have started thinking in a different way. Okay, so till then keep on revising the concept and practicing a lot and wait for the next lecture. Till then, bye bye, take care, thanks a lot for watching.